Hey folks, Mr. Phil here. We are in a winter weather lockdown in North Alabama. We have had anywhere from 3 to 6 inches of snow and ice. And when we have that, nothing happens in our state. So I've been spending my time going through videos and chopping things up and saving stuff for B-rolls and just getting my video files organized. And I ran across a little snippet of video that really gave me a new appreciation for why I use Vitamix blenders. And I've got a whole string of them. And as far as I'm concerned, nothing comes close to Vitamix blenders in reducing peppers down to puree. Take a look at this little video, and I did some measuring of the time it took. I think you'll appreciate it. Hey folks, this is Phil with Alabama Hot Sauce. That's alabamahotsauce.com on the web. We are snowed in here in North Alabama, and so I've been playing around with files, and as I told you in the introduction, I ran across a piece of footage I thought might be pretty interesting to you. I use Vitamix blenders. I've tried many. I use them because it's the one I like. I always purchase the reconditioned ones and the various sales at Vitamix every year, sometimes on Amazon, where you can pick these things up relatively inexpensively. But today I want to show you what a difference the Vitamix makes when you are turning raw peppers into pepper puree. Now I'm talking about raw peppers going into the pitcher, and out comes beautiful, purely liquid puree with no visible seeds. I've included a countdown timer, and it is running in real time. So I turned the Vitamix on. Right now I'm running it in the slow speed. I'm actually chopping up a few of those peppers. I put them in there relatively dry. However, I know how much liquid I'm going to need for my final recipe. I've got it measured out. It's a full gallon, so I get to use some of it. Adding it in helps as we move to the higher speed, especially in pureeing this pepper. Now, I want you to take notice, we're at 35 seconds. It's all pretty well is grinding up. Now, in just a few minutes, we're going to switch over to full speed, which is the final stage of completely liquefying everything in that jar, including seeds. And so you're going to see, I think, a pretty amazing transformation when we switch that speed to high. There we go. You can see clearly that this sauce is liquefied. There's not going to be not a single seed left in it. This is going to be a completely clean, what I call cold puree. Now remember, we're starting with fresh peppers in this instance, not fermented peppers. I started with complete peppers, dropped them in there. In 1 minute and 26 seconds, it looks like to me, or 1 minute and 29 seconds maybe, it looks like to me we completely pureed this sauce and turned it into a beautiful liquid. Using blenders, the thing that's important is the horsepower of the motor, obviously, the shape of the container, but mostly the speed of the motor and the length of the blades. Where the blender may be turning 12,000 RPMs in the middle, out at the end of the blades, which are 1.5 inches to 2 inches away from the center, those blades are flying. The Vitamix blenders have the speed and they have the power, and clearly that makes them perfectly suitable for blending hot sauce. There you go, folks. Vitamix blenders, hard to beat them. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed making it. While you're here, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. And in addition, give me a thumbs up. That thumbs up tells YouTube that you really liked it and they should show it to other people just like you. And also, while you're here, ring that bell. If you do that, every time I post new content, YouTube will notify you. Once again, folks, thank you for joining me. I really have enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. It's Mr. Phil here. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you don't mind, click the round logo and join our channel. In addition, I've made a couple of video suggestions I think you might like. Click them and see what you think. Remember, Alabama hot sauce, always fresh, always spicy. Thank you.